Welcome to Best Buying Report. The Best Recorder cleaning rod is probably one of the most essential tools for any musician looking to maintain the pristine condition and optimal performance of their beloved recorder, ensuring every note resonates with clarity and purity for years to come. Number 5. Lyons Recorder Cleaning Rod. Keep your recorder in top condition with our specialized cleaning rod. It's designed for easy and effective maintenance. This rod ensures a thorough clean every time. Its precise design reaches all necessary areas for optimal sound. Crafted from high-quality materials, it's built to last. You can rely on it for consistent performance. Using it is straightforward, making cleaning quick and hassle-free. Perfect for musicians of all levels. Regular cleaning with this tool helps preserve your instrument. Ensure it sounds its best for years to come. What we like. This cleaning rod offers a durable and simple design, making it incredibly easy to use. If you are looking for a no-fuss, reliable tool for basic cleaning, this is a great choice. It's perfect for those who want a straightforward solution to keep their instrument in good condition without any complications. What people say. This cleaning rod is sturdy and well-made. It effectively cleans the recorder without scratching the finish. The different brush sizes are useful for various parts of the recorder. Number 4. Cecilio Flute Care Kit. Keep your instrument in top condition with this comprehensive care kit. It includes everything you need for effective cleaning and maintenance. Crafted from high-quality materials, this kit ensures your flute is cleaned and maintained effectively. It's designed for durability and performance. This versatile set is perfect for both flutes and piccolos. It includes all the essentials for cleaning, drying, and upkeep. New to the instrument. This kit is beginner-friendly, making it ideal for students and school band members. It's perfect for entry to mid-level instruments. This complete maintenance kit has you covered. It comes with a hanky swab, coil swab, cork grease, polishing cloth, and a key brush. What we like. This is a comprehensive kit designed for complete flute maintenance, offering versatility for cleaning and drying. If you are a beginner or a student in a school band, this kit provides all the essentials you need. It's ideal for those who want an all-in-one solution to keep their instrument pristine. What people say. The cleaning rod is made of durable metal, ensuring longevity and effective cleaning. Its flexible design allows it to navigate tight spaces within the recorder, reaching all necessary areas for a thorough clean. The rod comes with various brush attachments, catering to different parts of the recorder and providing a comprehensive cleaning solution. Number 3. American Plating 361 Flute Cleaning Rod. Introducing the American Plating 361 Flute Cleaning Rod. It's built to be durable and reliable for all your cleaning needs. This cleaning rod is a great choice for beginners just starting out. It's also ideal for the demands of marching bands. Designed to fit most flutes, you won't have to worry about compatibility. It's a versatile tool for any flutist. Experience the lasting quality of this cleaning rod. Its durable construction ensures it will be a reliable part of your routine. Proudly made in the United States, you can trust in the quality and craftsmanship. It's a dependable accessory for your instrument. What we like. This cleaning rod is known for its durability and reliability, making it a solid choice for demanding environments. If you are part of a marching band or need a robust tool that can withstand frequent use, this is the one to consider. Its American-made quality ensures it's built to last. What people say. The cleaning rod is sturdy and well-made, ensuring durability. It effectively cleans the recorder, reaching all necessary parts. The design allows for easy maneuverability, making the cleaning process efficient. Number 2. Maped Helix USA Recorder, Baroque Style. Experience beautiful, high-quality sound with precise Baroque fingerings. It's perfect for producing clear and melodious tunes. This instrument is designed to enhance musical skill development. It's a great tool for practicing and mastering melodies. Offering affordable quality, it is crafted to deliver exceptional performance without breaking the bank. It comes with a cleaning rod. You can use it to swab the inside and maintain hygiene. Conveniently store your instrument in the included storage bag after cleaning. What we like. This recorder delivers enhanced sound quality with precise fingerings, offering unbeatable value for its performance. If you are looking for an affordable yet high-quality instrument for music education or personal practice, this is an excellent option. It comes with a cleaning rod, making maintenance simple and convenient. What people say. This rod is very sturdy and well made, perfect for cleaning my recorder. The different brush sizes included are great for getting into all the nooks and crannies. It's easy to assemble and use, making the cleaning process quick and efficient. Number 1. Yamaha YAC 1661P Flute Cleaning Rod. Introducing the Yamaha YAC 1661P Plastic Flute Cleaning Rod. This essential tool is designed for the care of your instrument. It's suitable for all makes and models of flutes and piccolos. You can rely on it for any instrument you own. Used with a cleaning cloth, it effectively removes moisture and buildup. It reaches deep into your instrument for a thorough clean. This rod is designed to get into those tight spots your cloth can't reach. Importantly, it will not scratch or mar the interior of your instrument. It's incredibly simple to use. Maintaining your instrument with this rod is key to prolonging its life and ensuring it stays in top condition. What we like. This cleaning rod is designed to be scratch-free, effectively reaching into areas that a cloth alone cannot. If you are concerned about damaging the interior of your flute or piccolo and want to ensure its longevity, this is the tool for you. It's essential for meticulous maintenance and preserving your instrument's condition. What people say. The cleaning rod is sturdy and well made, ensuring durability. It effectively cleans the recorder, reaching all necessary parts. The design allows for easy handling and maneuverability during cleaning. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.